So now in this chapter we're gonna be making the headlights. Uh, as you can see, I've downloaded some more reference pictures for this headlight. First way to make this section over here, it looks like some kind of air duct for the engine. Let's take both of those and let's go to the edit mode. We're just gonna take some samples. I mean some edge loops. We're gonna take the last border edge loop, which is just gonna extend it. Now we're gonna take this one, alt press that, then double G, move it, make both of those align. Then take both of those, shift D, PS to make it a separate object. Then take both of those new edge lines, then Control J to merge them. And now we're just gonna take the cutout for the headlights. But still, we need one more. Uh, right from here, let's Control R, make one more. Shift D, right click, PS. Now we'll join this with the new edge loop object that we have just created. Now Control J, great. Now let's go to the edit mode and just get rid of the edges that we don't need. At last, turn on the subdivision. There's a bit of a alignment issue. Merge at last. Control X, get rid of the extroverts. Same over here. Get rid of the extroverts. Last. X, V. Now A, GY. Push it forward. Now A, EY is extruded on the Y axis. Right over there. Let's see if it extrudes the wheel arch. It does. Now SY 0. Right over there. The it should not extrude the wheel arch. Now A, shift and recalculate the normals as we have done earlier. Control R2. Now let's connect them. Again, shift them. Now we have the headlight casing. Let's cheesy this. There we go. There we go. Now it's properly recalculated. So we have a minor dispute over here. Let's fix it. Double G, push it inside. Parts like this can get a little bit tricky, but it's everything is solvable. Right in here, so double G, push it down. Let's get rid of that edge. Push it down. Alright, there we go. And we have the perfect curve. Put this part over here. So it's alright for now. Let's push this inside just a bit with double G. Cool. Nice shear smooth this. Let's give it some borders. Shift in. Be sure to click on the inside button. Okay, now we are done with the casing.